Kamai Joint Coordination Committee of Passenger Vehicle Hakasautere ko rempang arajarar pendru kalalay bania kendo yau Deputy Chief Minister badaipet ya katana transport uba singaw bahalang dahar da kabakentu ya ka sarkar bakamday banbu ya ka vehicle location tracking devices lane ka VLTDS. Habakran syakilat pathai khabar haden balawai ka jingelang uba wandan bok jarwa ulaong baka jingekran kalong ka basaysa bat baki babun ki jing dawa jong ka komiti kala pediang ulapan pau baka sang kala persyak jur ya ka jing temu ban pentrikam ya ka vehicle location tracking devices haka jalla nadu ka basedang uba wandan bok jarwa ulaong bahadin ka jing ya kendu ya Deputy Chief Minister menta lala ban penbet ya katai ka kam katkum ka jing kular bala ai ki kali kamai haki jaka hapo ka district kinom dan kam banbu ya ka VLTDS.
And whichever we have keep our agenda is already success. That for this VLTT vehicle tracking device, because the notifications came from the central government since from the years of 2023, and which is implemented in our state 1st January 2026. So the association of the union of all the Khasis and Jaintia, all the states, Meghalaya stakeholders, we protest for this vehicle tracking device. Since from that day and today we have got it fruitfully and successfully. Our agitations, our everything is okay. And all the vehicles which is flying locally within the states, it should be not mandatory to be fixed for of this VLTD device.
So you are saying that you are demanding that vehicle tracking device should not be fixed.
Yes. Today itself, our Deputy CM has given us 100% assurance that all the vehicle flying locally within the states should not be mandatory to be fit of this vehicle tracking device.
Why are you not doing it?
Because since geographically in our states is different with other states. Like in our states, we are the people who are we are ST. We are developing people. So we don't fly the vehicle outside or far away. We just nearby, 10 to minimum 5 kilometers, 3 kilometers, maximum is 10 kilometers. That is, we are protesting for this. And
flying outside the states?
That we will see, and the process, the meeting will going on for this 3-stage vehicle. As of now, only for this vehicle flying locally within the states has been not mandatory. For this national permit and this 3-stage vehicle is still going on and will